Spotify notifications may not work on the Galaxy S24 due to incorrect notification settings in either the app or the device's system settings, or possibly a cache data issue. If you have this problem, here's what you should do. First, check your phone's notification settings. To do this, open Settings and navigate to Apps. Scroll down and find Spotify, then tap on it. Next, tap on Notifications. Make sure notifications for Spotify are enabled. If they already are, try turning the switch off for a few seconds, then switch it back on. Under the Notification Types section, make sure options like lock screen, badge, and pop-up are allowed. Just below that, check if lock screen notifications are set to show content. If not, change it to that setting. If this doesn't solve the problem, the issue might be within Spotify's settings. Open the Spotify app, tap your profile icon in the top left corner, then hit the gear icon to go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Then make sure the notifications you want are enabled. Another solution is to clear the app's cache and data to reset it. To do this, tap and hold on the Spotify icon, then select App Info. On the next screen, tap Storage, then choose Clear Cache. After that, tap Clear Data and confirm that you want to proceed. Once Spotify is reset, it should work properly the next time you use it. We hope this guide has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.